What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a vlog. I just love vlogging and I haven't done it in a while, so I figured this would be the perfect weekend. We are on our way right now to a picnic in the park. My sister got it for us as our wedding present, where this company like goes up and sets up a little display in the park, and then Carlos and I get to go have a little picnic and chill for like 2 hours. So I'm really excited, and I thought perfect time to vlog. So just touching up these curls a little bit, and we are gonna be on the road. Okay, we're gonna play a little Uno. Oh God, it's brand new.
That's good, at least it's not like filthy.
Okay.
You thought it would rest there.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna fit there.
Let me put this here.
Here, you open one. Let me put that there.
It's a good thing you're not no dairy anymore. That lasted a full 24 hours.
I know. I attempted to do no dairy, and I did maybe a day and a half I lasted. I did a full day and then almost another full day. At dinner I was like, screw this. Actually at dessert I said screw this. I noticed you didn't want to play Connect 4 because I am a literal pro at that game.
I didn't notice that.
And I embarrass him every time because I'm so good. Here, I need those because these are, I think, just red and yellows. Here, I'll give you half of my deck, you give me half of your deck. And then we'll do a little swapperooski. This is so cute.
Isn't it 7 cards? Hang on, these got all effed up. I had it. Look at, there's a hole in there I made first. Hang on. We're getting there. I wish I had a wife to help me. Yeah, let me just set it back.
Your wife is just laughing and videoing it.
Yeah, hang on. Dude, how did I get the hole perfectly the first time? Bro, are you kidding me? Oh! Damn it, dude, are you kidding me? Boom. Suck it.
Uno.
Oh, I thought you had a W there. It's like when you took so long to record, almost as long as it took me to get that sentence out.
Your turn. I drew.
What are you drawing?
Got ourselves a little brie cheese on a cracker with some strawberry jam. Oh, we have like 10 more minutes of this picnic. And we're just chilling. This has been fun. We're gonna have to do a picnic again one day. I loved it. I've always wanted a picnic basket.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For all the picnics you go on.
I know, I don't go on picnics, but we can start. Even like in our own backyard would be fun. Like if it was like redone, you know? Right now we don't have grass in our backyard, it's just dirt. We're making plans to redo it. Good morning, you guys. It is now Sunday. Yesterday was so much fun with the picnic. After the picnic, we went to Carlos's parents' house in Sacramento and watched the fight, had dinner, just chilled. His dad made pozole. Oh my God, so freaking good. I kind of wasn't like feeling that great So I just chilled the rest of the night. I didn't vlog anything, but here we are. Sunday morning, got a lot of things planned today. Right now I'm on my way to the store because I'm gonna make fagasa bread. Yeah, fagasa bread. I'm gonna make some today, and that's a whole process. It probably takes like 5-6 hours because you have to like make the dough, let it rest, put it in the pan, let it rest again. It's a whole thing. So I'm gonna make fagasa bread and pasta for dinner. We'll go into the store now. Hopefully we're gonna get in the garage and clean it up a bit and get the Christmas stuff out. I'm really excited to decorate for Christmas, see what else I wanna go buy from Target. And yeah, let's go to the store. The garage cleaning idea went out the window for now, just for now, because we're going to Home Goods. There's one Home Goods rule I have for you.
For me?
Yeah.
What's the rule?
There's no saying we don't need that.
Oh, that's everything then.
I know.
That's literally what Home Goods is made of.
I know. I'm gonna look at the Christmas stuff there, and then I want to get like a charcuterie board that has like a lip to it, so that way things don't fall off if I want to make one and like bring it to my parents' house or his parents' house for like Christmas time. So we'll see.
Christmas.
Look at that cat in the window. How cute. Okay, we're going to Home Goods.
That's pretty sick. This little decanter. It's got like a ship in it.
Oh yeah.
Spigot.
Cool, but like I would never want it.
No.
I am just so incredibly sick of Ray Dunn. I just can't. Oh, that's kind of cool for like the center of a table. Okay, I'm really having trouble here. Oh, wow.
Jingle bells.
Yeah. Okay. Don't want anything gnomes. Don't want that. I know. Oh, they have Christmas tree skirts. That I think is just a blanket. I think we have one already, huh?
Yeah, it's somewhere in the garage.
I love these. These make easy gifts for people. These make like super easy gifts. They're like little baking kits and like little hot chocolate kits. I did this for all my staff last year with a gift card. These gift bags remind me of Joe. Alright, let's go look for a charcuterie board. I love a good mug. It's a good day to have a good day.
Lame. Those are cool little espresso ones. God, could I get that out?
This is also like a cute, you fill it with a little cello bag of like candy or something. That makes a good gift.
Oh yeah. Ooh, they have the 3-pack here. Nope.
Probably.
Oh.
Yeah, like.
No, not like the big bucket, you know?
Oh my god.
You have to like make your own. You have to get like one of these and one of these.
Yeah.
Which I'm willing to
But
do,
that
you know?
is cheddar and caramel.
Oh, yeah, let me get one of those. Wait, that's not it. There we go. Now we're talking.
Alright, let me go show them because this is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Is this cash?
It's not the funniest, but just nothing for you. Just plain and simple. Oh my gosh, it's totally cash. How cute. I feel like I need an ugly sweater for work. That is, I actually kind of love that. I kind of want that.
Oh, I just said I would rock the hell out of it.
I know, but just for work.
Oh my god, it jingles. This is pretty
Yeah, I kind of love that. All right, we just got home from Home Goods, Target. We did a little shopping. And are you kidding me right now with these Rocco's Modern Life dog toys? I mean, you've never been a better boy right now because you know exactly what we got. So let's, which one should we give him?
Give him heifer.
Okay. Ooh, what is it, Bubba? Go to bed. Good bed, Bubba.